Hello guys, welcome to this brand new video. Today we're going to be smashing this shitty medion alarm clock radio. There you go, it has two stereo speakers, so we're going to be smashing this open, get those speakers out. Well, where's the LCD? God, it's getting ruined. Very ruined indeed. There are some speakers right there. It's pretty tough. Chassis is pretty strong actually. Dang. Cuffing's pretty tough actually. Actually sort of strong. The first alarm clock that's sort of strong. Cool. Oh, look at those cute little speakers. Oh, cool. Quickly before the tunnels on those break. Cool terminals as well. That's pretty cool. Look at the speakers. That's the wattage of those. 1 watt. Just 1 watt. Amazing. I'm gonna just try and get this. Let's put you guys over here maybe. I'm just going to quickly try and get that motherboard out because I want those speakers in. There you go, that was one of the speakers. There's a second one. Terminals are gone, but I can get new wires for those. Cool. Well, it's a nicely constructed thing actually. It's a pretty decent little set. Could this maybe have Bluetooth or something? Ah, not really. Alright, this is the video. Bye.